show the planting of these cover crops. So the first thing, here are a couple of dead green bean plants. I'm just going to pull them out, and this tomato is not going to do anything, pull out any weeds. I'm going to pull aside this mulch that we have here, straw, and I'm just going to set that over here to the side. Now essentially all you need to do to plant these is to loosen the soil a little bit, turn it up a little and see. So if you can loosen it nicely just with this fork, that's about all you'll need to do. If it seems quite dense, you can also just go in with your pitchfork and break up the soil a little bit. This is a great thing to do. Gives the place for the roots to go a little deeper. So I'll just keep doing that because that feels pretty good. So we're going to speed this up, but essentially I've loosened the soil. I've stirred it up a little bit with the fork. And I'm going to plant this fall mix. It's a great cover crop to plant. Now these bags will each do about 1/3 of your plot, or up to about 100 square feet. So I only need a little bit of this bag in here. We're just going to take and salt and pepper the cover crops all around. Sometimes it's good to go 2 different directions. And something I really like to do, and this time I'm going to do it with some extra winter rye, go back along the edges, because you tend to miss the edges. So I'm just dropping a little bit of rye around all of the edges. I'm going to take this fork, and just by pushing down and lifting up a little bit, try a little close up here, we can get the seed essentially 1 inch or 2 into the soil. It could be 1 inch, some of it even on the surface will grow. So let's just say that I've got that all nicely done. Then we want to tamp this down a little bit. Sometimes I'll do this, and this breaks up some of those clods on top of the seed. Or I like to take the hoe and just push down a little bit and see how we're getting that firmed up a little bit so we have good seed to soil contact. I'm not going to finish that now, but then we can take some sort of residue, like not enough to suppress weeds, but just a little bit of cover there. You see this when people plant grass seed. And we'll just put a little bit of that around. And essentially this area is done. I can water it, and it's ready to go. Thank you.